How to make homemade soup. A tutorial for beginners. Welcome. The world of homemade soup. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to make delicious homemade soup that will warm your soul. So let's dive right in and start creating. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Before we embark on our soup making adventure, let's gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need 1 tablespoon of oil or butter, 1 onion, diced 2 cloves of garlic, minced 2 carrots, peeled and sliced, 2 celery stalks, sliced 4 cups of chicken or vegetable, broth 1 cup of canned diced tomatoes, optional, 1 cup of your chosen protein, e.g. chicken, beef, or beans, salt, pepper, and spices for seasoning. Step 2. Preparing the vegetables now. It's time to prepare the vegetables. Start by heating the oil or butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the diced onion and minced garlic, sauteing them until they become aromatic and translucent. Step 3. Adding more flavors. Once the onion and garlic have softened, it's time to add in the carrots and celery. Allow them to cook for a few minutes until they soften slightly, adding an incredible aroma to your soup. Step 4. Broth and protein next. It's time to pour in the delicious chicken or vegetable broth. If you like, you can also add canned diced tomatoes to give your soup an extra tangy flavor. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. At this point, you can add your chosen protein, such as diced chicken, beef, or even beans, to make your soup heartier. Step 5. Simmer and season. Allow your homemade soup to simmer for around 20 to 30 minutes. Pour to soutenir. To let the flavors melt together beautifully, make sure to season your soup with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. Taste it along the way and adjust the seasonings to your preference. Step 6. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations! You have successfully made homemade soup. Serve it hot in bowls, accompanied by some crusty bread or a side salad. The possibilities are endless. And now you can confidently create different variations of homemade soup whenever your soul desires. A comforting and delicious treat. Conclusion. Making homemade soup is truly a treat for beginners. By following this simple tutorial, you can develop your culinary skills, impress your loved ones, and enjoy a warm, soul-soothing meal. So go ahead, put on your apron, and let the aroma of homemade soup fill your kitchen.